Hello comrades, back on our God funded account. We want to pass this challenge today. Can we be able to make it today? I don't know. So we are going to look at some gold trades today, and we are going to see how the account is going to go on and if we can be able to pass this challenge. We are here for a very long ride, so I'm going to record this video. It will be some timestamps, and I hope we are going to be able to get profits and pass this challenge. The account stands at 49,500. That's where the account stands. Remember, it's a 50k account. So we are in drawdown of 500, and we are going to try and bring this account back to life and pass the challenge today. That is what I'm looking forward to. So we are going to look at gold and see. I've taken two positions now, but let us discuss them right now. So currently these are the two positions we are in. It is gold, and we are in a lot size of 0.3. That's the lot size I trade every time. So here is the chart. I've drawn this level right now because gold has been coming. Gold has been dropping for a while, and I know I'm going against the trend because from here it is selling. This whole time it is selling, right? And I'm deciding to go against the trend early enough. Is this going to take me out of my account? If it is a loss, it will be a good loss. But I've drawn this level because before, price was able to bounce back off this level and shoot up. Yeah, it came, then it came back, it bounced off, it went up. It came back, it bounced off this level. So this is what we are considering to enter this position on gold, and we are going to see how it is going to play out. I'm assuming it is going to maybe bounce off this level or go back here and then continue, but I do not know. I know we are supposed to be looking for sales right here, but I'm just going against the whole thing. We are going to sit and wait for this position. I don't know how long it will take, maybe 24 hours, maybe way more time. All it is going to take me out very soon. If it takes me out, it will take me back $800, and I'm willing to lose that as I risk to win, to pass the challenge. So let us wait and see see if we can actually pass this challenge. This is a God funded account. Feel free to join me on this adventure. Feel free to give in your suggestions. I know, do not come, oh, you should be selling. No, I sold already and I got some profits, but I'm trying to go against the market. Let us see if it rewards me for this whole adventure. If it doesn't, I'll lose $800 on this 50k account. So let us wait and see. We shall fast forward parts of the video so that you understand, how it is done. I trade trend line breaks, but this is purely support and resistance. This entry is purely support and resistance. That's why I entered it. So we have entered at a support level. Let us see how it will play out. God funded is the way to go. Why am I trading this one for God funded? I think God funded is a good company. I think it is such a good company because if we go to the website at the moment, let me go God funded. They really have some nice offers actually. So if you look at the God funded website, they are the cheapest in the business. They are the cheapest prop firm in the business, right? Let me decline for now. They have cheap prices. For example, this is 100k and it is around 479, right? That is cheap. Most firms have around 600 or 700 something, but for God funded it's 479. If you want a 5k account, you can get it at 65, which is quite cheap, bro. You can't get any account at 65. 10k, you get it at 95, and this is instant. Oh bro, this is instant. Let me go to two-step. For a 100k account, $200, bro. Can you believe it? $200 for 100k. There is no way. But You see, 17. I think got funded. We can now establish this, that got funded is the cheapest firm in the business. It is the cheapest prop firm in the business, right? 50% off if you're brand new. You just go to their website, copy this code and put it in. 50% off you get. You can use Trade Locker, you can use Match Trader. I've used Match Trader, these two I've not used, and of course MetaTrader 5 is the way to go. Why traders love got funded? Trade up to 2 million, bro, that is huge, man. 100% refundable fees, 800 in funding, scale to 2 million, news trading allowed, fast bi-weekly payouts, fast reward on demand. All these are nice. No hidden rules, reward guaranteed. I think if you feel like got funded is the prop firm for you, you should go and, you know, trade it because it is nice. Leave alone the noise. People who don't know how to trade could have a bias against a prop firm. Someone could have a bias against FTMO, against funded next, against got funded, against funding pips. But if you know what you're doing, you will go trade and they will pay you out, definitely. I know I've taken long without passing this challenge. It is because, you know, I've been quite busy because I'm not a full-time trader. I have a job, and but let us see today if this will reward us and we pass the challenge. I hope so. Fingers crossed. But let us fast forward and see how it is going to go. Okay guys, that hasn't ended really well. Of course, it has taken us out of the position because gold is still dropping. Gold is still dropping, as you can see. So one of our positions is out, but it's nothing big. We shall come back from it. I think we have to look for sales. You can see it clearly. We have to look for more sales, and yeah, that is it, because it has also broken through this support level, right? You see, it has broken through the support level, and this is what we based on saying it is a support level, and it is breaking through it. So I think it is fair to say that it is breaking this level. So yeah, that is basically it, but it has taken us out. It has taken us out of one position, and this one it will also take us out, but it is still okay. I think we still have a higher chance of passing this account. I guess this level has not worked for us like we wanted it to, but we shall see. It has left us in one position. I don't know why it did that, but then we shall wait for, you see, to buy you have to wait for this break to, if you're doing trend lines. But I decided to do support, resistance, and basically that's it. I can't wait to see the comments right now. I can't wait to see your comments. But you have to understand that in trading you lose some and you win some, that the ones you win have to outweigh your losses. So this account right now, let us see the got funded account. If you check our history, we've failed. I do two pairs. We failed 1, 2, 3 trades, and then we got 1 trade back, which was way more than the losses. So that is how trading works, guys. You see, and now we are also failing this one, this trade. 800, it has taken us back 800, so the account will stand at 48 something. That is where our account is going to be, and then we shall wait for more setups, because when you lose 800 you can afford to get another setup in a day, right? You can literally afford to get a new setup in a day. So those that want to trade, those that enjoy trading, you should use this information or this video as you wish, because all prop firms are good. You just have to choose your heaven. You have to choose your home in trading. I'm just waiting for this one really to come to be taken out. But the setup right now we can say is invalid, because I think it is going against us. What was my thought process here? We had reached this level and I thought it would bounce back off, but gold, I'm telling you, gold is dropping. We had this big drop. Can you imagine? From this drop I came out of the trade. I think it was around here. I came out of the trade and left all this for the banks, bro. Then I took this sell also. I took a sell here, and then I came out here and left all this. Can you believe? I would even still be in this sell, but yeah, it is what it is. That is what trading is, and we shall keep learning, we shall keep improving. Is this video going to end? Let me wait for me to be taken out of this position, then we can end it. Okay guys, that was an L for today, the first one for the day. We are going to look for another setup, and what you hear, my EA is going off, but this is an L for today. Like I said, we should be looking for sales. That is for sure. As you can see, when it broke through this support level, it is going even lower, and we shall see if we shall get another trade today. And you can see the account now stands at 48700. It was at 49500. It is now at 48700. $800 gone from this, as gold is still dropping at a high rate. It is the London session now, and it is of course still dropping. So ladies and gentlemen, we were taken out at this point, because this is how to trade support and resistance. I'm showing you how to trade support and resistance, and this was our position, and we got taken out at this point. The stop loss was around here, and we were taken out. We were targeting for this other level of support, right? That was the first trade for the day, and then I got this other level. Why did we draw this level? We saw this rejection and we were like, what is happening here? So we went back and drew this, rectangle. Because of this, I saw here, price was bouncing off here, but when you scroll back, it came and bounced off this place, and it bounced off this. So again, me being stubborn, I think we are bouncing off this back to the upward. So that is basically what we have done there. It could be another L, we do not know. It could be another L, but we have entered again 2 positions and we are being stubborn. Maybe if we can make back the 800 that we lost, that would be nice, right? That would really be nice if we could make back the 800 we did lose. We are putting a stop loss of 1200, bro. That's a lot. That's a lot, but 1200. So let us see how it will play out, and we are going to wait and see. I need you like a heart needs a beat, but nothing new. Yeah. I loved you with the fire, and now it's the name blue. Say, love you like an angel, heaven, nothing think was you. But I'm afraid it's too late to apologize. It's too late. Yeah, you only need the light when it's running low. Only hit the sun when it starts to snow. Only know your lover when you let her go. But it's so good. I never found anybody like you. But it's so good. I never knew anybody like you. Darling, now, la lines into the way you go. Won't you like my darling now? I'm in the dandelion, wishing on everyone that you be mine. I see forever in your eyes. I feel okay when I see you smile. I always had that dream like my daddy before me. So I started life with song, started writing stories. Boys are with me, some are still seeking glory, and some are hard to leave behind. My brother, I'm still sorry. So now my daddy got 61. Remember life, and then your life becomes a better one. I made a man so happy when I wrote a letter once. I hope my children come and visit once or twice a month. Soon I'll be 60 years old. The world is called a dweller. I have a lot of children who can warm me. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Alright guys, it is 7:39 in the night, and the progress still continues. As you can see, I'm from cycling. I go ride the bike, and we have come to check on the account, and it is doing okay. It is 52,200 in profit. We are going to leave the trade to run until it passes the account. That is our target. We want it to pass the challenge. So we are left with around 2,700 or 2,800 to pass this phase 1 of Got Funded. One thing about trading is this is the setup. We took it, it went, it came back, but we stayed in it. That was our goal, to stay in it until it hits take profit. But the thing about trading is, if you don't give up, you cannot fail. You keep learning, you keep doing everything, you cannot fail with trading. You have seen how this setup has treated us in this video and how we are doing in Got Funded. I'm not saying it will hit take profit. The profit will be 3,300 for each trade. That is what I'm targeting. But right now we are in profit of 3,500. Remember, we lost 800 today. But now this we are making back. We are going to try and leave the trade to play out. It can come back and it can go. We shall see how it will end. But I just wanted to come up and make the update about the account, because the video still has to go on. Until this account is passed, the video has to continue until the account is passed. But thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. You have to lock in, guys. You have to really lock in. Trading really works. Imagine it is like seven hours of me in this trade, and it is doing well. If it was a real account, I would be 3,500 in a day, and that is really good. So you have to give it your all. You have to trade, and you have to, improve every day. I have other accounts that are running. I have an FTMO account where I'm in a position, this very position, and it is good, doing okay. And I'm also going to hold it for a while, because one thing I've learned is I've been making a mistake. I was not holding my accounts for that long. So this one, I don't know. I'm just going to hold and see how much I can get from here. Then at the end, I'll withdraw that. But thank you for watching this video. Let me go, change. I'm from cycling. I've done 7.12 miles. I've done 7.12 miles today, and that is really good. It's absolutely wonderful, Cycling is keeping you healthy. I have to reduce this belly. That's the goal. But maybe with time in the future, we shall go to the gym. Yes, but the message in this video is, if you do not give up on trading, you cannot fail, no matter how long it takes, because we don't have a lot of options apart from trading. Just lock in, study, and keep improving every day. An update on this challenge. The update is we failed. I received the FTMO. I was like, oh my god. Then I went out of the position. As you can see, we are out of this position. Would have been, it came back in the night and I was awake. So I was like, nah, let me get out instead of it taking me out. Then it continued in our direction. But whatever the case may be, that's basically it. So our strategy has given us another trade. Maybe we shall enter and hold and see. But we really want to pass this challenge. It is at 51,300 at the moment. Hopefully we pass it. If we don't, still it's okay. Because this was the setup that was going to make us pass. This was our setup. And when it went, we were all good flying. You can see from the video. But when it retraced, I was like, damn. So when it came here, I'm like, nah, I'm out of this. So you see, and it has gone in our position. So let us see how it will end up. And yeah, but there is nothing to do. It happens. It is part of trading. It's not a loss, but you've given back any win it would have given you. So that really happens in trading. And yeah, but this is the account of Got Funded, and this is the progress. We shall come back with a part 2. Those that want to sign up for Got Funded, my opinion, I think it is the cheapest in the market, and it is a good prop firm. So sign up. All right, let us continue and see how this trade is going to play out.